right, so on the prescription page, I see quite a different variety of options for lens coatings. And so I wanted to know, which one do you recommend personally? And if you can explain why.
Yes, so there are a couple of lens coatings that we recommend. The first one contains the anti-fog feature. It has anti-fog, anti-scratch, anti-reflective, and water droplet repelling. So if you're someone that gets fog on your lenses, perhaps you live in a humid environment like in Florida or Texas, maybe Hawaii, or if you're outdoors and you're working hard, you're running, something like that, and your lenses fog up, then you would want to have the anti-fog protection. That way you're not blinded, at a critical moment. If you are someone that has a little trouble with nighttime driving, you might get some starbursts or halos around oncoming headlights or street lights, then you would want to get our coating that has the blue light spectrum filtration in it. When you have that coating, it filters out the blue spectrum of light, and that will make your vision much crisper and reduce any duress on your eyes when you are driving at night. It just makes it so much easier to have clear vision when you're driving at night.